Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to guide you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting. I will guide you step by step how you can do that. To do that, first of all, you have to log into your GoDaddy account where your domain has been registered, and then you have to log into your Hostinger hosting. I am logged in already. To connect your domain, you have to go to websites. Here you will see the list of the websites that you have on Hostinger hosting. If you don't have any website so far, then you have to click on add website, and then here you can choose the option that you want to create your website. So I am going to create my website with WordPress, so you can click here. After that, you will see this dashboard. After choosing your login credentials, click on next, and here you can click on create blank site, or you can also choose the themes you see above. And here you have to add your domain that you want to connect to your Hostinger hosting. In my case, I have this one. You can see here it has been registered on GoDaddy, so it asks, do you own this domain? So use it. Yes, I own it. So I click on it, and then here you see this domain is registered as add another provider. You have to verify you own it when you connect it to your site. So it is saying that we have to verify in GoDaddy that this is our domain. So once you add it here, then you have to click on install WordPress, and then your website will be created. So I'm not going to do this way. Let's go back. But once your WordPress is installed, then the steps I will guide you after are the same. Now here you can see if you already have a website and you want to connect your domain with that, then you have to click here on change domain, and then here you have to paste your domain, and then click on next, and then it says domain added to your site, so you have to click on continue. And here you can see connecting domain name. So let's refresh it. Now here you can see a domain has been connected to the website, but still it says domain not connected. To connect it, we have to follow the guide. In my case, I am not going to connect this. I will follow the guide for this domain, as I want to connect this domain to my website. Okay, so click on check guide. And here you can see the steps that you have to follow. You have to log into your GoDaddy account. I am already logged in. Then you have to go to domain management, and then change the name servers to these custom name servers. Okay, so I am logged into my GoDaddy account. Let's go to my GoDaddy account and then go to domains, and then click on manage all. Here you have to choose the domain that you are going to connect. So I am going to connect this one. And here you have to go in DNS, and in DNS here you see name servers. These are the default name servers from GoDaddy, but we want to change them to use our Hostinger name server. So click on change name servers, and here you see I will use my own name servers that are from Hostinger. Here you have to paste these name servers, and here paste name server 2, and then click on save. Once you save your custom name servers, then click on continue, and here you see your request is in progress. So name server has been changed. Then you have to go back to Hostinger, and then here click on I have changed the name server records, and then click on finish. Here it says if you change your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon. It may take up to 24 hours to connect the domain to your site, and let's close it. So in this video we have learned that how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting, and it will take 24 hours to take effect your name servers, so you have to wait for this time. If you face any errors during the process, please leave them in the comments below, and I will answer you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, as it helps me greatly, and I will keep bringing such useful content for you.